Back to another video. Today we're shopping at Costco. We're going to be looking at the tools section and the automotive section at Costco. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for materials to deals. These are the wiper blades. Pretty good deal on these blades. And then we got these solar shades for the vehicles. Then we got some batteries if you guys want to look at the prices. I gotta say it's pretty good deal there for not just under $100. You go to AutoZone or any other other stores and easy 140, 150 bucks. But here they're mostly under $100. If you look at the prices, $99.99, not a bad deal. As a matter of fact, this is the place where I'm gonna come and pick up my batteries from now on, because I always pay like 180, 100, 200 bucks for a battery. But yeah, if you guys have used these batteries before, let me know down in the comments, see if these are good batteries, interstate batteries. That's the AGM for $175 and $177.99 for the AGM. But yeah, I gotta say overall, pretty good prices on all these. They got several different styles. Then you got the Duracell battery charger, $39.99. So it's like it's a charger and a maintainer. So it's a 4 amp, 12 or 6 volts. Ideal for lead acid, ion, AGM, and gel. So it's like a, and then you can put like a stationary. You can just plug it in whenever you're at home, I guess. Jump starter, $59.99. Looks really nice. Looks really small actually. Does have a light. That's the box itself. And then you got some oil. Kirkland oil. I guess that's Costco's brand. 5W30. It's 2 5-quart jugs. 2-pack. And then $38.69. $38.69 for 6 1-quarts bottles. And that is for synthetic or mobile one. And you got 530. You got 030. Then 5W30. Then you have this Supreme oil for $39.99. Then we got some gloves for just under 10 bucks. Not a bad deal for 10 pairs. Seems like you get some rubber material, so you can just pack of 10. Not a bad deal. And that's the wagon that they have on sale, that have the other aisle. You got powder nitrile gloves, and these are 4.3 mil, I believe. So they're rather thinner ones. Not really for heavy use. I would say they're mostly for light duty, painting, cleaning, dishwashing, picking up something for the ground. Like I said, 4.3 mil, not the thickest. And then you got some sort of car canopy. $249.99. And then you got some tarps. I guess you get 2 tarps for that price. They're pretty heavy duty for 20 bucks, $21. Got a total gem. Then you got a key finder, generation 2 piece. It's not too bad for people that lose their keys all the time. And it's compatible with all the smart devices. I always put my keys in one certain place. And that's the wireless backup camera for the older vehicles, 135. It's a little pricey, tell you guys the truth. You can get a much cheaper camera. The problem is with the cheaper cameras, you have to pay the installation. That's usually what gets more expensive. So by the end of the deal there, you get becomes cheaper to just pay the 135. And then you got a floor jack right there, really nice green floor jack for $112.99. So $113, not a bad deal. As you guys could see, it's low profile. It's a 2.2 ton or 2.5 ton. Really nice jack. And for somebody at home, you know, that's plenty of jack right there. Good deal on that. And you got some WeatherTech floor mats for $29.99. You basically cut them to the size of your vehicle. Then you got some gel cushion for under 20 bucks. And it gives you a little explanation of what it is. Seat covers for $24.99. Then you got this vacuum, Black & Decker vacuum, $49.97. Seems like it has a built-in battery. Guess you can charge it. Does come with some accessories. Now you got a car wash. Yeah, I was just thinking of picking this up or not. It's actually not a bad deal for a gallon of car wash. For $13 or $14. And then it's a wax and shine, so pretty much if you wash it, you can just buff it out, you know, dry it out, and it'll just it'll be waxed. You got some towels, pack of 52, microfiber, $16.99. Pack of 36. You got some shop towels, original, $15.99. Pack of 10. You got some playgrounds for the kids. Got a canopy there, $2.19. Got a patio chair or an outdoor chair. Got a generator, Yamaha. Yeah, those generators are inverter generators. They're supposed to have cleaner energy for the sensitive equipment like your computer, TVs, and all that. $499.99 for the Yamaha. And they're supposed to be quieter too. So it's 1600 running, 2000 max starting. And that's the dual fuel. So $699.99, so it's $700 bucks. And you can power it by propane or just regular fuel, which is a good thing for emergencies. Got some pressure washers, power stroke. Then you got a DeWalt vacuum. Those have some accessories on the back. It's like a little cart. It's a 10-gallon. They got a shop stool for $59.99. Not a bad deal. Looks pretty comfortable. And I guess you can raise it up and lower it down. Got the Flex Seal for $19.99. Got a 50-piece. A socket set and some bits. The Titan. Yeah, I gotta say, I felt the grip on that. Seems to be pretty good. Pretty good grip on it. Feels like rubber. The black part is rubber. So it is magnetic, according to that. Then you got the DeWalt for $99.99. 173 piece. Then you got this toolbox. Really nice toolbox. Stainless steel with a wood top. Yeah, I was just trying to get a thumbnail picture for the video, but yeah, that's the stainless top, or the stainless and wood top. It's a 66-inch workbench. And then the stud finder, I was just trying to work with it, see if it works. And I was actually holding it the wrong way. You're supposed to hold it the other way. Horizontal. Not vertical. But it's still working, as you see there. So not a bad little item. Got the Little Giant for $149.99. Got the Costco 3-in-1. Some glasses. Sunglasses. $24.99. Eddie Bauer for $29.99. And then you got the Puma. $29.99. You got some pool toys and equipment. As you guys could see, I had to shut off the music or the sound because they were playing music with that piano, and I just didn't want to get a copyright strike on my video. That's why I shut off the volume on this. That's the thing about YouTube, that you have to shut off the sound if somebody's playing music. It's a nice wagon. That's the one that I have. That's the upgraded version though. I got the older one. Some coolers. Nice cooler for under 100. You got some binoculars for $129.97. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what the tool section or the automotive section of Costco. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.